Students, how are you all? Are you fine? Now see, multiplication lesson number 6, multiplication, multiplication, multiplication. Okay, yesterday we learned multiplication, multiplicand means what, multiplier means what, okay, product means what. Now see here, for example, 22 multiple by 4. Okay. See, this is called the multiplicand. See, multiplicand means what? See, the number that we multiply is called multiplicand. Okay. See, 4 is the multiplier. See, the number by which we multiply is called multiplier. And see, when we multiply two numbers, the answer that we get is called product. Okay, understood students? Now, today we will see these examples. Okay, already we learned yesterday. Then see, today we will solve this. Now, see, fill in the boxes to show addition and multiplication fact. Now see here, first you just see how many groups are there. See, 1, 2, 3 groups are there. Okay, and see in each group how many dogs are there. Yes, 2 dogs are there in each group. Then see, first we will see the repeated addition. See, 3 times we will add 2. 2 plus 2 plus 2 is equal to 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. Okay. And see the multiplication fact. See, first you just see how many groups are there. 3. Then you write here 3 first. And then you see in each group how many objects are there. 2. Then 3 multiple by 2. And say the table of 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6. Okay. Then see, then you just count these objects. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then our answer is correct. Now second one, see. See how many groups are there? 1, 2. Then see in each group how many houses are there? Only one house is there. See, and 2 groups are there. See, then 1 plus 1, 2. Okay, and see the multiplication fact. How many groups are there? 2 groups. Then first you write 2, and in each group how many? 1. So 2 multiple by 1. 1 twos are 2. Okay, then see the third one. First you just see how many groups are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. And in each group how many birds are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. So 4 groups are there, and in each group 5 birds are there. Then 4 times we will add 5. See, 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. And 15 plus 5, 20. Okay, understood? And see the multiplication fact. 4 groups. So first we write 4 multiple by, see the birds in each group, 5. Okay, then 4 multiple by 5. Say the table of 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20. Okay, then see the next. Find the product. Okay, product means answer. Now see, first you read the sum. 5 multiple by 4. Okay, 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20. See, the answer is 20. Then 7 multiple by 2. Then see, 2 sevens are 14. Okay, 9 multiple by 4. Then say the table of 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, 4 sixes are 24, 4 sevens are 28, 4 eights are 32, 4 nines are 36. Okay. Then see, 2 multiple by 1, 1 twos are 2. 4 multiple by 7, 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21, 7 fours are 28. Okay, solve this in your maths textbook. Then see the next situations involving repeated addition. See, chocolates are there, and then see, first you observe this, how many groups are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 groups are there. Then how many trophies are there in each group? 3 trophies are there. Okay. Then they ask how many trophies are there in all. Okay. Then see, in each group 3 trophies are there. And how many groups? 4. Then 4 times we will add 3. See, 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 3, 9. And 9 plus 3, 12 trophies are there. Okay. And see the multiplication fact. See, 4 multiple by 3. Okay. Then 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12. Okay. Like that only we will solve these examples. Now turn the page. See, sunflowers are there. See, how many groups are there? 3 groups are there. And see, in each group how many sunflowers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Then see, how many groups of flowers are there? 3. Okay. The answer is 3. Then how many flowers are there in each group? 5. Then how many flowers are there in all? First we will see the repeated addition. 3 times we will add 5. 5 plus 5 plus 5. See, 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. Otherwise multiplication fact, 3 multiple by 5. Because 3 groups are there, so first we write 3. And in each group 5 flowers are there, so 3 multiple by 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15. Okay, then see, next we will see. See, some birds are there. First you just see, circle it. 1 group, 2 group and 3 group, third group. Okay, see how many groups are there? 3 groups are there. And see, in each group how many birds are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 you just 3 times you just add 4 3 times. 4 plus 4 plus 4. Okay, 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 4, 12. And see here, multiplication fact. See, 3 groups are there, so 3 number you just write here first. And in each group how many birds? 4. Okay, then 3 multiple by 4. And then say the table of 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12. Okay. Now next page. See here, same. See, candies are there. See, how many groups are there? First see, this is the 1, 2, 3, 4 groups are there. And then you just see, in each group how many candies are there? See, in each group 6 candies are there. See, and 4 groups. Then 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6. Okay. Okay. 4 times 6. 4 times 6 is equal to 24. 6 plus 6, 12. See, 12 plus 6, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay, 18 plus 6, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Okay, this is the repeated addition. And the next, see, how many groups are there? 4. So, you just write 4 first. Multiple by, see, in each group, how many candies are there? 6. Then 4 multiple by 6. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24. Okay, the answer is 24. Now, next see the multiplication using number line. Already we learned addition on number line, subtraction on number line. Okay, today we will see the multiplication using number line. See, see, this is the number line, and number line start from 0. Okay, then see, first you see how many half circles are there. Means here group, how many groups? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 4 groups are there. And see, 0 after 2 is there, 2, 4. Then difference between the number is 2. Then 4 times you just add 2. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. Okay. 2 plus 2, 4. Okay. See. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. And 6 plus 2, 8. Then answer is 8. Otherwise, multiplication fact, see. How many half circles? 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you write first 4 multiple by 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8. Okay. Then see, we will solve like that only. See this number line. See, start from 0, 0, then 3, 6. Skip counting by 3 is there. So see, 5 times 3 is 15. 5 times, see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, then 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. See, 5 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 5 times 3 is there. See, 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 3, 9. 9 plus 3, 12. And 12 plus 3, 15. Okay, answer is 15. Otherwise, see, 5 times 5 half circles are there, means 5 groups are there. So, first you write 5 multiple by 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are, see, 3 fives are 15. Okay, understood? Now see the next. See this number line. Skip counting by 5 is there. 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Okay, the difference between the two numbers is 5. And then you just see how many half circles are there. Means how many groups are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 groups. Okay, then see 6 groups are there. Then 6 times 5 is, see, 6 times 5. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times 5 is added here. Then 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. 15 plus 5, 20. 20 plus 5, 30. 30 plus 5, no, 1 minute, sorry, 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. 15 plus 5, 20. 20 plus 5, 25. And 25 plus 5, 30. Okay, students. And see the multiplication fact. See, 6 times 5 is there. 6 times 5 is added here. Then 6 groups are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 multiple by 5. Okay, then say the table of 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, and 5 6 are 30. Okay, then see right here, 6 times 5 is 30. 6 multiple by is equal to 30. Okay, then same like that, here only you write 5 times 3 is 15, or 5 multiple by 3 is equal to 15. Okay, understood, students? Now turn the page. See, this is your homework. You only solve this. On Friday I will tell you the answer. Okay, you just solve these two, and this is also your homework. See, it is very easy. See, 4 fours are 16. See, where is the 16? Yes, here. Then match here. Then see, 9 nines are 81. See, 81 is here. Okay. Then see, next 6 sevens are 42. Then see, where is the 42? Okay. Understood, students? Like that only you solve this. Bye.